plant-based yogurt bark. There's this trend I saw on TikTok called yogurt bark, so I'm gonna try to make a plant-based version of it. I'm using a really bland yogurt dough, so I'm gonna add some vanilla at my son's request and a little bit of maple syrup directly to it. Jam. And then we're just gonna add some toppings on top. We're gonna freeze it overnight. We'll be back in the morning to see how it tastes. Let's see how it breaks. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, it's creamy. It's got a nice sweetness, but there's a fatty richness to it too. Let's see what my kids think about it.
It's like a slushy.
Like a slushy? Interesting. You're gonna love